So, good morning. This is what I was trying to explain to you as to how to do it. You said you wanted your text to be on your symbols. For example, if a place is a commercial area, you want to see something like COM in your legend. Residential, you want to see something like R or any of the other uses. But unfortunately, I don't have any of such land use maps. I can use the administrative boundaries of Ghana to show you an example as to how to do it. So let me add my data. Administrative boundaries of Ghana. I think I have one here. So let me add it. So this is administrative boundaries of Ghana. So let me label it so that you can see it clearly. So let me label it here. So this is Upper West, Upper East, Savannah, and these are all the 16 regions of Ghana. So at this stage, you now go to your attributes table. So you right click, go to open attributes. So at this stage, we are going to add a new field. That is to add a column, and then you put those shortcuts. So let me click on the toggle editing here. That is the pencil. Then you look for new field, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus W. So in my new field, probably I will want to name it as region underscore shop. Alright. Then because it is going to be text, because you are going to write Bono region BR, Central region CR, Northern region NR in that order. If it is commercial, you won't write the full commercial. You write like commercial COM, residential R, and all those things. So it's going to be text, not numbers. So I select text. And depending on the length of text, you can increase the length here. So for my own 10 is okay. So you click OK. So now you have it here. The column is region short. So you start putting in whatever you want to put. So for example here I'll put Bono region BR, I'll put Central region CR, I'll put Northern region NR, or TOR in that order. So quickly let me do it. Western North region, Northeast region, Northeast region, Upper East region, Savannah region, Upper West region, Ahafo region, Bono East region, Central region, Western region, Eastern region, Greater Accra region, and then Delta region. So I'm done. So these are the shortcuts. I want them to appear and the symbols in our legend. So if your own tool, you are using the land use maps, and you want to indicate those land uses, you can do the same. Residential, you make sure R is on it, commercial, COM, or a worship W, and any other uses. So when you are done, you now click on the pencil here. That's the toggle editing mode. You ask to save, and you save. So when you are done, then you now close the attributes table. So now let's now come back to the map canvas. Now you are supposed to do categorization. What I mean is that every region will now have its own color. That's how we can use the colors to differentiate it. So you now, here you right click on the layer here, go to properties, then you go to symbology. Here we are changing single symbol to categorized. Then the value here you choose the regions. So I titled mine as new region, but if your own is land use, maybe the land use, you can choose land use. Maybe that is the column under which you have commercial, residential, and all those things. So because I'm using the administrative regions, I titled mine as new regions. So I choose new regions. And from here you click on classify. From here you click on classify. So after which you click on classify. So it will come like this. So each of the regions will now have their own color. But the last one is all other regions. So let me remove that. It's not necessary. Then okay. So you will now have something like this. All the regions with their own colors. All the regions with their own colors. So you will have something like this. I have a region and all those things. But by then we want to see the labels inside the symbols here. So at this stage you still go back to properties, then from there you now go to legend. There's one under here, legend. So you click on legend, then text on symbols, you check the box by it. Set labels from expression, choose that one. Then here we choose fields and values. So you click on the arrow by it. Here you now go and choose where you were putting the shortcuts. If this I name mine as region short, but yours maybe you might name it a different way. So you double click on that one to make sure it appears here. So from there you click OK, and then OK. So you click OK. So I will say here it has appeared. I have region AR, central region ASR, BR in that order. So this is how they will appear. So now you now want to go to your printout. So you go to your printout. Okay. Then you add the map, which is this way. So this is now the map. This is the map. Then I want to add the legend. Add the legends. This way. So they will all appear. So now you'll be having something like this. Now we say AR, have for region, ASR, for this, ER, for this, Greater Accra, in that order. So this is all that you want to do. So you're having text inside your labels as well. So this is all that you do. So basically that is how you do.